Alright, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you the following. So let's say you're building a website or a new project, or you got an idea and you're using AI, Codex, Claude, whatever you want to build a design. Then you're probably, not probably, 100%, if you're in this space, you have seen these overly exaggerated AI designs where you even as a non-frequent AI user, you will just see it's AI, and what we've noticed is if it's overly AI, the trust signals and the trust from the visitors just goes down, because why would they use AI? Why don't they use human resources for it, for example? So let's say, for example, so with ChatGPT 5.4 we got a simple but very effective prompt tip / hack for you that you can do. So let's say, for example, you want to build a landing page. I want to build a landing page for let me just change this to permissions for access, yes, for a website selling chickens on a farm that do no harm. Then this is the small prompt that you inject in here, so it gives you this is great design. It's build me 3 different designs based on this idea. Make each design totally unique so I can choose. Good luck, friend. Thanks. And just like that, and you ship it. So in this way, instead of getting like one standard design, and you can use this for everything. Let's say, for example, you're building custom components, you're building CSS thingies, whatever you're doing, you can always use this 3 design hack to get separate outputs. So the ChatGPT, Codex or Claude Code really thinks about the thing that they're doing. Normally, when especially when the usage is very high and the outputs are getting worse, it just outputs some stupid or ugly design where you're unhappy with, and it only enrages you. So let me see, what does it say? New standalone landing. This, you won't encounter this specific question because I'm using a my YouTube tutorial folder on my website where it's giving where it's already using some previous data. So don't worry about it. Which should brand lean toward? Play for rustic, premium, ethical. You may self-propels. You may decide yourself. So I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna run it right now. I'm gonna see what it outputs, and I'm very interested to see what it will be given. All right. So after a bit of cooking, it is finished, and here you can see you have 3 designs you can choose from. AI is getting so sick. So here, see the no harm promise. It's just a 1-pager, of course, but these videos are really made to you to see what is possible with it here. So you have the first design here. This is the sunlit farm stand. Here's the quite luxury ethical one. It's a bit more luxury, as you can see. No forced space, no anonymous supply chain, and you can see here with the extra use of like some more classical fonts, a FAQ. And let's say, for example, I want a modern mission brand. Wow, this looks amazing. It's beautiful, wonderful. It's oh, got a word rolling. Hey, it's AI is getting so good. It's absolutely beautiful, and yeah. So I hope with this video I was able to show you. Oh, you even have this header right here. Yeah, beautiful. I just noticed it. Even though it's a really a pretty standard thing, but if you don't think about it, you won't ever even know that what's called that you can use AI with this specific way of using AI, and AI is as good as its user. So I hope with this video that I was able to show you that you can do it in this way, and I see you in the next one. Talk to you soon, friend. Bye for now.